Cinque Terre, which translates to five towns, is a collection of five fishing villages located on the Italian Riviera in the Liguria area that was once connected only by mule routes and only accessible by rail or boat. The five villages that it comprises of are Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore. The Cinque Terre National Park encompasses these villages, the coastline, and the surrounding hillsides and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Cinque Terre is well known for its natural beauty. People have meticulously built terraces on the harsh rocky topography right up to the cliffs that overlook the Mediterranean Sea over generations to harvest grapes and olives. Here are our top 5 most beautiful villages to see in Cinque Terre. Riomaggiore is Cinque Terre's most southern village, located just a few minutes by train from La Spezia. Riomaggiore's origins are certain to date back to the 8th century, when residents of the Vara Valley came to the shore in quest of a calmer environment in which to grow grapevines and olive trees without the fear of pirate raids. The Via dell'Amor, or Lover's Lane, begins in Riomaggiore and is a magnificent walk famed for its romantic ambience and breathtaking scenery. It takes 20 minutes to walk from here to Manarola. Manarola, perched on a cliff 70 meters above sea level, is one of the Cinque Terre's most picturesque and beautiful villages. A boat dock, lovely multicolored buildings facing the sea, and a modest piazza with seafood restaurants are all part of the little harbour. Despite the lack of a beach, it offers some of the best deep water swimming in that area. Corniglia is situated in the heart of the Cinque Terre on a little cape rising 182 meters above sea level. It is the only town that does not have access to the sea. A pathway known as La Durina connects the tiny village to the rail station. Corniglia is linked to the other Cinque Terre villages by well-kept footpaths that are maintained by the park staff. Corniglia is a Roman community with a long and storied agricultural history. Vineyards and terraces surround the community on three sides. It has the architecture of a rural inland village rather than a beach village. Vernazza, the prettiest of them all, was built in 1000 AD and ruled by the Republic of Genoa until 1276. Belfort, a medieval castle, was built in the mid-1500s to safeguard the community from pirates. The best way to get to this beautiful village is by boat. The lovely piazza is dotted with nice restaurants and cafes, and the modest harbour is bordered by subtle colourful pastels. The village is bordered by steeply terraced olive fields that are considered to produce some of the country's best olive oil. Monterosso al Mare is the largest of the Cinque Terre's 5 coastal villages. The village is characterized by lemon groves, vineyards and olive groves. Monterosso is one of the most welcoming on the Ligurian Riviera thanks to its wonderful beaches, stunning corals and crystal clear waters. The medieval tower of Aurora divides Monterosso into two halves. Figena, the new part of town, is vibrant. It reflects an area that has benefited from tourism, as evidenced by the large number of good quality hotels and restaurants. The remnants of the castle dominate the ancient town of Monterosso, which is characterized by typical small medieval lanes along with multicolored terraced dwellings.